let's be honest, AI has a bit of a reputation problem. A lot of marketers are wondering, is this going to take my job? But the truth is, AI is not here to steal your creativity. It's here to help support it. Now, just like any tool, if in the wrong hands and used for the wrong purposes, it can create foul play. But the truth is, a lot of marketers are using AI to help do their best work even faster and with less stress, so they can focus on strategy, storytelling, and results. So in this video, I'm breaking down the 3 areas that marketers are using AI to help boost their productivity in 2025. Not to replace themselves, but to level up their content and workflow. So let's dive in. First up is content creation. Tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and even ChatGPT can take a single idea and help you turn into a full blog post, product description, or LinkedIn post in minutes. So let's say you're launching a campaign. You don't have to start by staring at a blank page anymore. You have a couple ideas, you know the topic, so you can start bouncing information off of something, say ChatGPT, and it can help you expand upon that initial idea and give you directions in which way to go. Now, of course, we have to talk about the ethical concern when it comes to AI for content. Do not have AI create a full article for you. This, just like taking someone else's writing, would be plagiarism. Like we said at the beginning, you want to make sure that you're using it to help improve and speed up your ideas. So just like if you had a human assistant, if they got all of the information for you and you didn't have to go through that, now you still have to proofread, go through, pick and choose what you want to use, and make sure that the information gathered was correct. But marketers are using this to speed up their process tremendously and be able to put out pieces much, much quicker. The next area marketers are using are for social visuals. Canva's new Magic Studio and things like Adobe Express are giving marketers powerful AI tools right inside their design apps. Need a fresh graphic from your existing brand? Type a prompt. Need 10 sizes of the same post? One click. These tools help keep your brand consistent and creative, even when you're working under a tight deadline. Now, just like the content creation, image creation has its do's and don'ts when it comes to AI. You want to be using these things to help speed up processes on your own existing work. For example, I've already had content created, I just need a fresh way to lay it out. And for the final area, let's talk about video, because short form content is still king, and it's easier than ever to create now. With tools like Script, Opus Clip, or Runway ML, you can take your existing long form videos like a podcast, webinar, or Zoom recording and instantly turn it into bite-sized clips for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. They even generate captions, highlight key moments, and clean up your audio, all in a few clicks. No fancy editing skills needed. Now, AI, just like any other tool, can be weaponized and used for bad. But the truth is, it's not replacing great marketers. It's making great marketers more effective. If you try using any one of these tools in any of the areas that we discussed, I guarantee you're going to see a creative boost within yourself, but also the time savings. That's what it's about at the end of the day. AI tools are being used by great marketers to help them become even more efficient and boost productivity. If this was helpful, guys, I'd love a like and subscribe, but maybe more importantly, a comment. I'd love to get a conversation going about what you think are the best ways to use AI in marketing to be able to help boost productivity and get your content done in a quicker, more efficient fashion. And honestly, I'd love it if you disagreed. Tell me what your thoughts are. Let's start a dialogue. That's what it's all about, to help us become more efficient, greater marketers. Hey, how are you? Could you imagine if you liked and subscribed to the channel right now because you want to stay up to date on the newest tech tips and news? That'd be so wild. Oh, that's interesting.